All right, so now let's take care of the forms. Let's go here. Okay, so let's get a sandbox going. Okay. Let's go here. No, we're not doing that. We're going to do this. Now we're going to do that. I can't remember how many I'm at now. We're just going to go with a big number there. We'll go with 5. I think that's fine. Okay, we see here it's got our stuff in it now. Okay, so now we got our new request form that matches our process form, and we can publish this sandbox. Yep. Then we can go over here to app instances and set up our current form. Okay, there we go. Now we got the latest one. We can apply that. All right. Okay, so that's that. Now let's go over here and see what we got. Okay, we're at version 8. So we're going to set it to set all the records to version 8. Okay, now let's see what our records look like. Make sure they're right. Okay, everybody's version 8, and I'm pretty sure that was version 8. So that's all set up. Now we come back and set up the connector configuration for these new guys.